Friends, family, subscribers to the YouTube channel, Adventuring with the S.G.O.C.C. This has been
an impromptu
video because Matthew just picked up his first gun today and he wanted to shoot it. And we wanted to come enjoy it with him. He did a fine job, fantastic. He's actually turned out to be a better shot than Uncle Tim and I. Doggone it. Which is fine. We had a good time. As always, this has been a Fun Brothers production. And like, share, subscribe, visit our other videos for our giveaway that we're currently doing.
which is currently every time you comment on any video,
it counts as an entry in our
automatic entry
in our current giveaway.
Oh, Matt, it's time for your interview. Everyone, this is Matt. This is my nephew. So, how did you like your new gun?
I fucking love it.
All right. How did you like the Jeff's 45?
I liked it.
And the tiny little G2C?
Had a lot of kick.
Yeah. And what about the 6 Hour?
Tell you what, I liked it.
Yeah. Yeah. We all did really well. Now we just got to finish our cleanup and then get out of here. So, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the flip side.